Let's get started. First, open Google and search for J2TEAM Cookies. From the search results, click on the link that takes you to the J2TEAM Cookies page on the Chrome Web Store. Once you're there, click on Add to Chrome. Wait a few seconds and the extension will be installed on your browser. Now go to the top right corner of Chrome and click on the extensions icon. Find J2TEAM Cookies in the list, then click the pin button next to it so it's always visible in the toolbar. After that, click on the extension icon from the top bar to open it. Here you will see two main options, Export and Import. Since we want to import cookies, click on Import. But before you do that, make sure you're already on the website where you want to apply the cookies. Now select the cookie file from your computer, and the extension will automatically import it to that website. That's it. You've successfully imported cookies to Google Chrome using the J2TEAM Cookies extension.